Looking to boost productivity, improve posture, and stay active while working? Standing desks are a game changer for home offices and workplaces alike. In this guide, we explore the best standing desks that combine ergonomic design, durability, and adjustable features to fit any workspace. Starting at number 1, Varidesk Pro Plus. The Varidesk Pro Plus 36 Standing Desk Converter, white, is a popular site-stand solution that turns your existing desk into an ergonomic workstation with no assembly required. It features a two-tier design with a spacious upper surface for monitors and a lower keyboard tray for comfortable typing. With a spring-assisted lift and 11 height settings, you can easily switch between sitting and standing throughout your day. The desk converter is fully assembled out of the box, offering a stable and durable platform for your work setup. Its 36-inch wide surface fits most desktops and accommodates monitors, laptops, and accessories, making it a convenient and practical upgrade for any home office or workspace. Number 2, Fully Jarvis Standing Desk. The Fully Jarvis Standing Desk 30 X24 with walnut laminate top is a premium electric height-adjustable site-stand desk designed to promote healthier work habits by letting you switch easily between sitting and standing with the push of a button. It features a durable walnut finish laminate work surface that is scratch-resistant, eco-friendly, and easy to clean, paired with a white steel frame for a sleek, modern look. The desk's electric lift system adjusts smoothly from approximately 23 to 43s in height, and the memory preset controller lets you save your favorite sitting and standing heights for quick adjustment. With solid build quality and a stable frame, it's a versatile choice for home offices and workspaces where ergonomic comfort and adjustability are priorities. Number 3, ApexDesk Elite Pro Series. The ApexDesk Elite Pro Series 60x27 Soon electric height, adjustable standing desk with a curved bamboo top is a sturdy electric sit-stand desk designed to help you comfortably alternate between sitting and standing while working, studying, or gaming. It features a powerful dual-motor lift system that smoothly adjusts the desk height between about 30s and 49s with the touch of a button, and a programmable controller with 4 memory presets lets you save preferred height settings for quick transitions. The 60s X27 solid top offers plenty of workspace for multiple monitors and accessories, and its curved ergonomic shape brings you closer to your setup for improved comfort. Built-in cable management helps keep cords neat and out of sight, while the robust frame and easy assembly make it a practical choice for home offices and professional workspaces alike. Number 4, Readydesk 2 Wooden Standing Desk. The Readydesk 2 is a simple, eco-friendly standing desk converter made from sustainable birchwood and designed and handcrafted in California that lets you transform any existing desk into a comfortable sit-stand workspace. It's built to support 2 monitors or 1 monitor plus a laptop, offering a wide, stable surface and adjustable shelves, so you can find the right height for your work style. The design is straightforward and tool-free to assemble or disassemble, and its natural wood construction not only looks attractive, but also promotes better posture by helping you switch between sitting and standing throughout the day. Users and reviewers note its practicality and solid build, making it a good choice for home offices where you want a more ergonomic setup without a full new desk. Number 5, FEZIBO Dual Motor Standing Desk. The FEZIBO 55X24 dual motor height, adjustable electric, standing desk is an ergonomic site-stand workstation that lets you move smoothly between sitting and standing with the push of a button, powered by a dual motor lift system for reliable height changes. It offers a spacious 55X24 tabletop with a slide-out keyboard tray and hooks to expand usable workspace and keep accessories organized, while the industrial-grade steel frame supports a solid load capacity for monitors and peripherals. The desk includes programmable memory height buttons and anti-collision safety technology to protect objects during adjustments, and runs quietly thanks to its low-noise motor. With a modern rustic brown top and black frame, it provides both functional versatility and a stylish look for home offices or study setups.